and he does it. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM.
Corey HEIM.
Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM. Corey HEIM is the winningest driver in one season. 10 wins is the most ever for a driver.
Today I must win. It is not a matter of pride anymore. It is a matter of destiny unfulfilled. I'm not racing for the glory, I race today for a job. If I cannot win, all will have been for naught. But as they say, third time's a charm, right?
Don't take me out, coach! I can still race!
Who interrupted the dramatic music?
Hopefully no one sees me do this.
Caught you in 20K HDR 1200 FPS!
5 minutes later.
Four drivers. Forward to see what he can make up here as the battle continues with the 11 of Corey HEIM.
Now he can make the move he wants.
Side by side, Corey HEIM, Chandler Smith, a little bit better. And there it is, Corey HEIM.
I must win this race. If not for me, then for my team. But now I am last. There is only one person I know who can help me. Matt, I know your mind is elsewhere today, but I need your help. My team can still win a championship. What should I do to compete with my championship contenders?
Uppfyllit regret flag fallstóta my min drema ins right ahead. And lucky for you. I have been in your position before. I can't help you. Had you net toto. Uti toknal ho to take advantage of your competitors.
What does that mean?
I know his from experience. I can almost do it hard till you are more rapid with 10 Sylvester hardare with you. You must be good at Samus and captain by surprise.
Interesting. Thank you, Matt. Enjoy your retirement.
Always a pleasure.
Battle up front, side by side, Lane Briggs.
Lane.
Corey.
Now's not the time for this. I don't want to battle you and
Then don't.
I see, very well Lane, as long as this thing stays green I can handle it.
Yo Connor, do you know what I'm thinking?
What do you think I am? A mind reader?
Come on, great minds think alike.
Yeah, but what about us?
I'm saying you should cause a caution to give me track position.
You bucket of bolts. What do you think I am?
I think Tyler had a marvelous idea.
But sir, that's race manipulation.
Would you like me to manipulate your contract for next year?
I think I'm going to have a wonderful spin.
Take a look at what he did!
Give-me 2 tiros.
I need 2 tires.
2 for me, Chief.
Y assume à tout tir stop.
No, we're gonna give you all 4.
Pour tir. But track position.
Trust me fam, I got the strategy under control. Knowing your competition we're gonna be here for a while.
Fair enough. I trust you. Just please don't mess this up.
Corey HEIM with 4 friends.
Lane, you're back here too? How are we both supposed to...
Forget about me, this is your storyline. I don't need to get in the way.
Thanks Lane, I will not forget you for this.
Make sure of that.
NASCAR overtime.
Watch out, Corey. The 7 truck went wide on the restart.
Did someone say a 7 truck wide restart?
Parsons on the outside. Here comes Diamond Jets getting back in.
What day today?
My position was greatly exaggerated.
Tyler, you have cost my team greatly, and I am here for vengeance.
I'm not scared by your petty tactics.
My father always had a saying for people like you. He would say to me, you give me a shooting ruddy pain up my tailpipe.
Uh-oh, guess what day it is?
Halloween?
It is a Corey day.
What?
That is to say, it is HEIM time. Wow, I feel great. This is wonderful. But I can't help but wonder, what comes next.
Yo Corey, guess what time it is?
It's HEIM time.
No.
It's dinner time.